Okay guys, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to change this valve cover. We're going to get rid of this nasty old Dodge valve cover. And we're going to put on a D&J performance valve cover. We got the valve cover. It comes with all the hardware and the hose to do the hose out the rear. And that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to change the oil because my oil is overdue. And then after all that's done, we are going to finally get the lift pump going here. I have all the parts sitting in the house and we're going to change the lift pump. It needs to be done and we're going to get this going. Give me a couple minutes and we'll get the video going some more. Okay guys, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to get that valve cover off, that nasty old piece of poo-poo, and we're going to put on that new nice D&J right there. So give me about 5 seconds here and we'll get it rocking. All right guys, so we're going to do this. We're going to get it going. Oh, it's an 8. It's an 8mm. Oh. We got it. There we go. What the hell is that bullshit? Oh yeah, that one's gotta put it on now anyways. Gotta put it on now anyways. Yeah guys, we gotta put it on now anyways because this front one here is cracked and it's not wanting to come off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, we'll get right back to you because one of the bolts busted. It cracked It won't come out, so I'm gonna have to fidget with it to get it out. All right, guys, so what it is there's 6 bolts that hold this damn thing on. First, you got to get the, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts that hold the top one on. Then you pull out the filter that was in there. And then you're going to pull out these two, and then there's 2 more in the back. You can really see them there. We're going to pull out those 2 too. And then this comes out. And then after that comes out, boom, we're going to put the new one back in. Make sure that it seals right. Make sure that the rubber seal on the bottom of it is good. And that'll be all that is there. Well, we'll get back at you in a couple minutes. All right, so here we go. We're going to get it off now. Oh. Yep. Yeah, it's a little bit boring here, but it's not that easy as what you think. All right, so we got this one off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh. There we go. That's out of there. That's all out of there. Now we just gotta clog off the old tubes and get the new one on. Alright guys, so here's what's got to go on. Is you put the valve cover back on. That's pretty easy. Doesn't involve anything. You just got to move these out of the way, these wires. And then this right here has to be capped off. Down, you follow it to the side of the engine and you cap it off. They give you a rubber end hose and a zip tie to cap it off. And then there's another one. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And there's another one. Okay, let's see. We got to get in there and look at it. Okay. Yep. I got gotta get a light to look at that one. But there's a small one here first. And then there's another one. And it's starting to piss me off. So we're gonna get that one in 1 second here. So we plugged off this tube right here. Totally plugged it off. That goes down into there. We're going to further pull it off and plug it up right all the way down near the block. As soon as we do the dual CP3s. Otherwise, right now, there's no way possible that you can get your hands down in there. It's not happening. I tried, and it's not gonna happen. I can't get down in there. So, as soon as I change my CP3 and put the dual CP3s in, we'll take that all the way off, all the way down to the block. Otherwise, right now, I cannot get it. Also, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this hose that they give you, and we're going to pre-put it on to that back outlet right there and put a little clamp on it. I have a normal one of those little hose clamps. I'm going to put that on there right now, and we'll show you what we're doing in 1 second. So here's what I did. I put the little hose clamp on there, and then this goes out and drains out the bottom there. You're just draining outside the transmission. I'm going to put it up there and put it on the side of the transmission. I'm going to put some straps on it and strap it in there so that it doesn't fall out and it doesn't wiggle all over the place. Yeah. Okay, now that is just plain out sexy. So now all I got to do is put the 6 bolts in and tighten her on up and put a couple zip ties out to hold that rubber line out the rear, the drain tube. But that is just plain out sexy. And now I'm going to have to clean up all the aluminum tubes to make them all shine, to make them match. But that is just plain out nice. I just love that. Okay guys, so here's all I gotta do. I just gotta torque it down to 18 foot-pounds and then put the new valve, the new oil cap on it, and we're good to go. Otherwise it's on there. I blocked the one tube off. The other drain tube's going out the rear. Everything is good. I just need to polish it all up. Which, oh, that's going to be a pain. But it's looking good. And then, now it's spring. I'm going to get that Banks Monster. And I'm going to get the turbo housing. And the one below, I'm going to get them all powder coated. Same color as the truck. And then it'll look good. But other than that, there's a new valve cover installed, ready to go. Works perfect. D&J Performance in Ohio. It's the best valve cover you can get right now. Works perfect. Okay, it's on. All I gotta do is polish it up. So I'm gonna have to go buy me some chrome polish, because the cleaner I have here just does not work. And it looks like poo-poo. So I'm gonna have to go get me some chrome polish. Anyways, though, it's all done, it's all on. And now I'm gonna change my oil. Okay, so we got the oil change changed. Nice and done. And the only thing I run in my truck is Amsoil. That is the only thing I run in my truck is Amsoil. No other oil gets put in this thing, and I use Amsoil oil filters. Everything is Amsoil. Alright guys, so here's what happened. I changed the valve cover, put that new D&J billet valve cover on, changed the oil, changed everything on here. Everything's running good. Got it on tune number 3, and we're gonna see what she does right now. Oh shit, that's a big Goes like hell. Have to slow down here a little bit before I start coming up somebody's ass. So we're going to give it a little test here. Sorry about the lighting here, but we're going to turn around here in the gas station, and then we're going to hit it. We're going to hit it here, and we're going to put it on tune number 4, and see what she does on tune number 4. Because I haven't done nothing. I haven't tested this truck out at all. Haven't tested it out hardly ever. So you guys are going to be the first ones to get the testing, the reaction to my testing it. I got it on test here. We're going to put it on tune number 4, and we're going to see what she does. I'm tired of babying this thing. So we're going to wait till this car goes by here, and we're going to see what she does. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh yeah. She's going. Oh shit. Alright, I had to slow down. That's fucking crazy. Just nuts. This thing goes. I'm gonna have to get some GoPro cameras and get them on here, because it goes so fast that I gotta hold on with 2 hands.